There are dozens of email service providers out there. So which ones do businesses actually use? And how do you choose? An email service provider, or ESP, is the platform you use to build, send, and track email campaigns. The right ESP affects your deliverability, your automation capabilities, your list management, and ultimately, your results. The most widely used ESPs today include Mailchimp, Constant Contact, HubSpot, Klaviyo, and ActiveCampaign, though the best fit depends on your business size, budget, and goals. Here's what to look at when comparing them. First, ease of use. If you're a small business or a solo marketer, a drag-and-drop builder and simple automation workflows matter a lot. Second, deliverability rates. Some ESPs have stronger infrastructure for getting emails into the inbox. Third, integrations. Does it connect to your e-commerce platform, CRM, or website? Fourth, pricing. Most ESPs charge based on list size or email volume, so run the math as you scale. And fifth, support and resources. When something breaks at 11 p.m. before a big send, you want documentation and help that actually works. Mailchimp is one of the most widely adopted ESPs globally, used by businesses ranging from single-person operations to enterprise brands, because it scales with you. Visit Mailchimp.com to learn more